Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the news came from the Oppo. Oppo has will launch the Reno 3, Reno 3 Pro, and the Pro 5G version in this month. The company has not officially revealed any detail of the smartphone yet, but an Oppo device sporting module number PCMPM00 and will leave it to be the Reno 3 has badged TINA certification, revealing its design and specs in the process. The Reno 3 is powered by an octa-core processor, which is paired with 8 GB of RAM. The smartphone runs Android 10 Pie and has 128 GB of storage on board. However, it also has a micro SD card slot along storage expansion by up to 256 GB. The Reno 3 built in around a 6.4 FHD plus AMOLED display that has a fingerprint underneath and a notch up top. The 16 megapixel selfie camera. Around the back, it has a 48 megapixel main camera joined by the 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel module. The smartphone has the volume rocker on the left side, and the power button with a green accent is located on the right. TINA revealed the Reno 3 will come in white and blue colors, and fueling the entire package will be 3935 mAh battery. Oppo will also launch the Reno 3 Pro 5G this month. The company has already confirmed that it will support curved edge display packet with 4025 mAh battery and weight less than 180 grams. Today, Oppo announced that the Reno 3 Pro 5G will be powered by the freshly announced Snapdragon 765G SoC. Also, for photography, the Reno 3 Pro 5G has a 32 megapixel selfie camera on the front and a quad camera setup at the back, comprising 48 megapixel main, 13 megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel deep sensor unit. The TINA listing revealed that Reno 3 Pro 5G will come in a white, blue, red, and black color. Oppo will also posted a video testing the Reno 3 Pro 5G. Not much as known about the Reno 3 Pro 5G right now, but it's confirmed to support a dual mode 5G and will likely support a punch hole display. We should know more about it in the coming up days, so I'll update more about the Oppo Reno lineup. So if you like this video, like it, and if you have any talk, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.